Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your Windows 10 password if you forget it. So there can be two ways of resetting your Windows 10 password. So the first way is if you have a Microsoft account and you logged in with your Microsoft account into your Windows 10 operating system, then the process is really easy. You just need to go to any other computer and then reset your Microsoft password, and then you will be able to log into your computer with your Microsoft password. But in many a case, we tend to set the local password for our PC, and in my case also I have set the local password for my PC, not the Microsoft password. So in case you forgot your password, if you have set it locally for your Windows 10 operating system, just follow along and you will be able to reset your Windows 10 password. Now before moving forward, I want to warn you that this procedure which I am going to show you will delete all your data on your Windows 10 operating system. So if you have backed up your data somewhere virtually, or you have it in the hard drive, this will be the way to go. Okay, so this will reset everything. So you need to back up your data, I don't know how, maybe virtually, and then follow along. So what you need to do is, once you get into this screen, the login screen, what you need to do is you need to just press your shift key. So press your shift key and then press on the power button here on the bottom right hand side. So shift key and then the power button, and then click on restart button. Okay, so make sure that you have pressed the shift key and then only you click on the restart button. So once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of window on your Windows 10 operating system. So here we need to go here in troubleshoot section. So I'm going to just click on that and then click on reset this PC, and then click on remove everything. It will take some time and it's going to show you this kind of window. Now here you will see the next window where it will say reset this PC, and then you will see these two options here, only drive where Windows is installed, and then you can see this option which says all the drives. Okay, so most probably this will work in your case, only drive where Windows is installed, because you just want to reset your password, and if you have the data drive, then it will not format that. So I will just choose this option which says only the drive where Windows is installed. Now here on this next window, you will see two options. One is just remove my files, and then second it says fully clean the drive. So I will just say just remove my files, and it's going to just give this message getting things ready. And then at last you will see this kind of window. So here you want to press reset in case you want to reset your password. It will reset your Windows operating system, and then it will allow you to enter your password again from the start. So this is how you can reset your password on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.